Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Leaving the massive limestone embrace of Federal Triangle, you begin to feel the city's pulse quicken. As you cross the Pennsylvania Avenue and head north towards F Street, the monumental stillness of the administrative buildings give way to a more dynamic, lived-in urban landscape. This is where the official Washington of white marble and federal agencies begin to blend into the local Washington of commerce, theatre, and history. The architecture starts to diversify, with the rigid neoclassicism of the Triangle making room for the Victorian brick and modern glass of the downtown district. The walk up 12th or 13th Street towards F Street is a study in the city's vertical growth. While the heights are strictly regulated, the density increases here. You're moving into what was historically the city's premier shopping and entertainment district. As you approach F Street, you're entering a corridor that has served as Washington's main street for over a century. It is a place where the grandeur of the past meets the frantic energy of the present. Once you reach F Street, the perspective changes entirely. To your right, the massive Greek Revival silhouette of the old patent office building, now the Smithsonian American Art Museum and National Portrait Gallery, dominates the view. It stands as a reminder that even in the heart of commercial district, the city's commitment to art and history remains central. This building was once the largest in the city, a temple of useful arts that housed the patents for the inventions that built the modern world. The street level here is a vibrant mix of grand old theatres, flagship stores, and busy commuters heading for the metro's central hub. The area is filled with the sounds of city life, the hiss of bus brakes, the chatter of office workers on lunch breaks, and the music of street performers. It's a sharp contrast to the echoing quiet plazas of Federal Triangle you just left behind. On F Street, the history is not just in the monuments, it's in the storefronts and the sidewalks. This walk represents the evolution of Washington from a planned federal enclave into a true American city. It's the connective tissue between the halls of power and the streets of the people. As you navigate the intersections of F Street, you're standing at the crossroads of the capital identity. Looking back, you see the solid, timeless authority of the Triangle. Looking forward, you see the ever-changing, bustling spirit of a city that never stops moving. It's a journey from the ceremonial to the everyday, and it's in this transition you find the real character of Washington, D.C.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.